I was on my knees, and I ended up on my back. I don't know how far I was from the building at that time, but that's where I ended up.
Several firemen got blown out towards the front parking lot, and some got blown down the steps. And from there, we just called for more help, police and fire personnel.
Williams, he's right by the wall.
He was still in there?
Yeah.
Did they get him out?
Yeah, they got him out.
They took him to the hospital?
Uh-huh. I was in the art room right next to the boiler room, and I heard a hissing sound for about, I'd say, 5 seconds, and a big explosion. And fire, and the whole wall just came at me and hit me right here, just knocked me on the ground. And I was right next to the door, and I crawled outside. My girlfriend was in there, and I heard her screaming. I went back in and grabbed her and pulled her out, and we just ran for the door.
It just blew up in our faces, and it was mostly the dust, that we couldn't see because the dust was in our eyes. It just blew me on the ground. It just, slung me on my back, and I didn't know where I was at. And Gene had already gone out the door, and then he came back and grabbed hold of me and took me out.
We all ran through the hall. It was nothing like we all, how they got fire drills and stuff. It was nothing like that. We all just started running. Well, it was scary. Everybody was screaming. It was terrible.
There may be 3 firemen inside unaccounted for at this point.
They decided they needed some more lines, so my partner and I started to back out off that landing, and we were going out to get another line, and when it did, that's when it blew up, and it blew him out the front door, and it blew me back into the building.
Yeah, go ahead, Jim.
John Rao and Gene Kenton, the officer.